You're now ready to install your cable node. Note, on the bottom of all cable nodes, there are 2 tab stickers that contain the MAC address and PIN number for each of these units. You'll need to remove these stickers from the units and attach them to the site log contained on the last page in the user guide and install manual. This is used as the primary reference to identify which nodes are installed on which bins. You'll want to fill in this site log with details of each bin you are hooking up to the system, including the bin name and cables in the bins for reference when setting up your user account online later on. The single channel cable node, also known as a CN1, will be installed on the roof of the bin. Note, a single channel node can only connect with one cable. If you have multiple cables in one bin, you'll require a multi-channel cable node. Remember to install it out of the way of any loading or unloading equipment. Failure to do so may result in unrepairable damage to the node. In addition, the cable nodes should be installed with the best possible line of sight to the gateway node in order to maximize the communication path between the gateway node and cable node. On the ground, attach the foot mount loosely to the cable node base with a 3/8" wrench. On top of the bin, determine where the best location for the cable node is going to be. Peel off the protective backing on the bottom of the foot mount and adhere it in place. With the cable node angled forward, take your cordless drill with a 3/8" nutsert attachment and fasten the first 3/8" self-tapping screw into the single opening on the foot mount. Next, lean the cable node back and repeat by screwing the remaining 2 3/8" self-tapping screws into the 2 openings on the front of the foot mount to finish securing the cable node in place. Once the cable node has been secured in place, it is now time to angle the cable node into a vertical position and tighten into place using a 3/8" wrench on the 3/8" bolt, holding the foot mount to the cable node base. The next step is to connect the cable lead wire from your cable to the node. Make sure there's about 6 inches or 15 centimeters of slack remaining in the cable lead wire when connecting it to the pigtailed connection point coming out of the bottom of the cable node. Next, using your Phillips screwdriver, loosen the 3 screws located on the outer edges of the base of the cable node and open the cable node up by lifting the clear dome off the base. The cable node dome is tethered to the base to avoid losing it. Turn the cable node dome upside down and locate the red jumper to be removed. Remove the jumper to activate the cable node. Once activated, the node should flash blue 3 times, followed by 5 blue and red flashes. Take the jumper and turn it upside down before sliding it behind the prongs you just removed it from in case it's needed to reset the node in the future. Realign the cover to the cable node base by lining the notch indicator on the cover to the notch indicator on the base. Tighten the 3 Phillips screws to secure in place. Lastly, secure a small drip loop in place with the 6 inches or 15 centimeters of slack from the cable lead wire with a small tie wrap through the opening in the neck of the foot mount.